Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making lazy chilaquiles. I start by adding oil to a skillet and setting the heat to medium-high. Next I cut some tortillas into little triangles. I use about 4 to 5 tortillas per person. Next I dice up an onion, and yes, my knife was still dull, and then set it aside. I'm going to use that to garnish. Now that the skillet is hot, I toss in all the tortillas. It's okay if they overcrowd. That's going to give the chilaquiles layers of texture. And I drizzle a little more oil on top. While the tortillas crisp, I start crumbling the queso fresco. I had to flip the tortillas to get another layer of crispy chips. Now, I grab a big pinch of oregano, grind it into the queso fresco, and mix. I keep an eye on the tortillas because I want them to get crispy, but not burnt, flipping occasionally. This is why I call them lazy chilaquiles. Traditionally, I should make a salsa to go on them, but I love the way they taste with salsa del pato, so I use that instead. And stir to coat all the tortillas in salsa. Once the chilaquiles are ready, I move them aside to heat up my other pan for the eggs. I season the chilaquiles with a little bit of salt, some fresh ground pepper, and mix it again. Now they are ready to go on the plates. I garnish them with the queso fresco and oregano mix. Some diced onions, and top with the egg. While the other eggs are cooking, I'm gonna make a quick crema. It's just sour cream with a pinch of salt, flip the egg, and some water, and stir. I season the eggs with salt and pepper, and add a little more queso and onions. Drizzle some crema on top, and look at that. Thanks for watching.